Okay, hello everybody. So today I will show to you how to create your own blog. Okay. Remember dito sa blog, dito nyo lalagay yung mga insights, comments ninyo tungkol dun sa reading na binigay ni Dr. Browner. Okay? So first, I will show mga famous blogs, no? This is wordpress.com. Okay? This is weebly.com. So you can choose from this site. This is blogger.com, livejournal.com, Blogatry, Blogsome, edublogs.org, and we have a tumblr.com. Maraming students natin ang gumagamit ng Tumblr. Okay? Then we have typepad.com. Okay? But I will have to ask you to create your blogs in edublogs. Okay. So close ko muna yung mga windows. Okay, so we're edublogs. So how are you going to create your blogs here? So first, you go to the website edublogs.org, this one, and then click get your free blog now. Here. Okay, so you need to place the username that you want. So, anong gusto nyong username? For example, again, let's use my example yesterday, Maria Cruz. Email. Okay, enter the password. Confirm the password. Okay, so here you're going to choose your blog domain. So you can have mariacruz.edublogs.org. Okay, or kung ano man gusto ninyo. Okay, for me, let's use MC. Okay, mc.edublogs.org. Blog title, let's use your course, Master of Arts in Innovative Blank Education. In your case, let's use, for example, General Science Education. So, yung mga technology, lalagay nyo, Master of Arts in Innovative Technology Education, no? Okay. Language, English. Okay. So, let's use English. Blog type. So, you need to choose one. So, of course, you are a student. Human verification. So, whatever, kung ano man yung lumabas dito na word, yun din ang itatype niyo. So, here, it's spikes red. And then, click, I agree with terms of service. Then, click Start Blogging. Okay. So, hindi niya tinanggap because it says the site name must be at least 4 characters. So, we need to use at least 4 characters. So, let's try M. Cruz. Okay. So, again, that's student, that's English. Okay. Again, type the human verification code. So, KE Frisk. Again, click Start Blogging. Whoops! Hindi pa rin niya tinanggap because it says meron na gumagamit ng M. Cruz. Okay, I guess let's use Maria Cruz again. Again, type the human verification. Start blogging. Congratulations! Okay. Okay, so doon sa previous screen kanina, it says log into your blog, right? So, you need to click that. Sorry, hindi ko na mapapakita kasi pinapakita ng site yung password ko. So, I have to immediately go to this screen. So, it will lead you to this screen. If you notice, nagbago na yung address niya rito. Yung pangalan na siya nung blog. Okay, so that's mariacruz.edublogs.org. Okay, so the system wants us to log in. So enter your email and then your password. Log in. Oh, username lang pala. Sorry, hindi pala email. So, username and then the password. Okay, so this is now the blog. Okay? Actually, if you're familiar with WordPress, halos parehas sila ng itsura. Okay? Okay, so first, so this is your dashboard wherein lahat ng mga links na pwede mong gawin dun sa blog nandito. Okay? Now, usually, when I create a blog, una kong ginagawa yung choose your theme. Para meron na siya kagad na design. No? Oh, by the way, kung gusto nyo makita ko anong itsura nung blog ninyo habang wala pang just design, so dito siya. Ito. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng site nyo, ng blog, kung walang design. Okay? So, this is the title, and then, subtitle, you can enter it here. Hindi siya pwedeng i-enter dito sa site na to. Gagawin natin siya doon mismo sa dashboard. Okay? So, this is an example of an entry. Okay? This is an example of the reply. Okay? And categorize, meaning, yung mga entries niyo pwede nyo siyang i-categorize. So, this is an example of a reply on your post. Okay. And this is your first comment, blah, blah, blah. Yan. Ganito yung magiging itsura ng reply. Okay, or comment on your blog. Okay, this is a welcome. Okay. Ito yung mga links na pwede nyong ikabit doon sa inyong site. Okay. So, let's go back to your dashboard. Okay, so dito sa dashboard, we can choose a theme para meron na siya kagad design. Okay, it's a template. Okay, so pili tayo ng template. Whatever template na gusto nyo, okay lang yan. Medyo mabagal yung internet ko. Okay, let's try to use this one. Oh, pang pro lang. Pag pang pro, ibig sabihin may bayad yun. Okay? So, hindi tayo pwede dun sa nakalagay na EduBlogs Pro only. Okay. Okay, let's try to use this one. So, just click activate. Yan. So, ganito na yung itsura niya. Okay?